we basically just flew in. We're in Long Beach now, and you guys might recognize this wall or notice where we are. So the craziest thing about this, you guys already know this from the title of the video. Yes, we are at Hoonigan, but we are at Hoonigan with the Cream 240. And we were just in Florida, so how did this even happen? Well, you see, I have this friend Tommy.
Hello.
You guys may know him as the jerk from OSW. Well, he's not actually a jerk.
Wait, I read a comment on the, okay, don't text and drive, but I was stopped somewhere and I read a comment on a video that says everyone knows me as Dickhead Tommy.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, alright.
It's pretty cool.
Well, you just deemed yourself that for the rest of this trip.
It's fine.
Anyway, Tommy would drive Pat's rig for FD, and he offered to help me out since we've been strapped for time, and he drove the truck and trailer all the way out here and brought the 240 so we can do a bunch of rad stuff. And I don't know, how was it?
Simple, easy, fun actually, even though I was by myself, but you get to see a lot of stuff that you don't see flying 30,000 feet in the air.
So yeah, the car's out here and we have a jam-packed trip. I think we're gonna hit like 7 different track days within 10 days. So there's a very good chance that my SR is gonna come home blown up, but that's a risk we're willing to take. And you guys probably realize too now why I was like prepping everything so hard for the car and like the trailer and everything because of this. Anything else worthy mention?
No, don't text and drive.
I'm so excited to have my car at Hoonigan. I'm like, I don't know. It's kind of like, it's not super cool to like film the same stuff as them, so I'm not gonna do that. I might like see if we can do some other like cool fun stuff. Nicole sounds like she wants to drive the Caster car.
I want to drive that.
The Caster car?
Is that the Caster car?
Oh boy. Day one, car didn't even make it through the Hoonigan session. So we're throwing on the lift real quick to just a little fix. You guys will see in the video. It's nothing major, but I'm very happy that we're able to do this here. Otherwise, doing this like on jack stands underneath the car would be a pain.
In the hotel parking lot?
This isn't jankier than me just welding this. Like, you seriously don't want me to just put a little tack here or here so it stays permanently?
Yo,
We could, but I feel like it's normally pressed in way more, yeah?
if you don't even have the springs for it, we should just do that.
I mean, yeah, I'm cool with that.
Because they can still come off and
It's
I
good.
won't weld the whole thing. I'll just do a little tack here and a little.
Oh, this one's out too. Yeah, it just needs to get like pressed in. Car survived Hoonigan. That was fun. Did you have fun, Nicole?
Yeah, it was fun.
Nice chill little stop. A bum that Hurt wasn't here. Where got Hurt?
I know, where's Scotto?
Where's everybody? If it isn't crazy enough that we're here at Hoonigan, look who decided to join us.
Hello, how are you guys?
Aaron Losey.
I got to watch you perform.
How do you feel about drifting as a sport at the moment?
It's amazing. It's always getting better, it's always more fun. I get to travel the world and do cool stuff. Is that the answer you wanted, or did you want something else?
I was just hoping like we'd go on some sort of rant. I love listening to Aaron talk about like topics.
No, drifting's amazing. Drifting keeps getting better. You're out here in California doing stuff. We have a bunch of our drivers from Texas here. Everybody's always having fun, traveling everywhere. I see you, how many places do I see you in the world?
Dude, it's getting crazy.
Yeah, I see you all over. That's what drifting is to me. It's like traveling around and having fun. So yeah, it's amazing. I didn't even bring a car.
It's a Miata with everything that Nicole likes about a Miata, not intact. For it to be Nicole's car, it has to have pop-up headlights.
Yeah, those went on Hertz car.
Did they? The same ones?
They're on Hertz
Are they
car.
interchangeable?
I don't know, but you figured out a way to do it. It's pretty
That's
good.
sick. What kind of, is it an aftermarket trans? Is that just a short shifter? What's the deal?
Yeah, it's a billet, like, it came from Lithuania or something.
That's crazy. She looks pretty good in that. Nicole's been telling me the whole time about how she's super nervous that you guys were gonna have her drive something.
Oh.
And I think secretly, like, she wanted to.
I think she did.
Yeah, I think so too.
Then she found out we had our Miata.
What? No pressure, but if you want to do a donut, I'll tell you what to do. Oh boy. Yeah, Nicole. That looked good. Yes, it did. I thought that was great.
I want to do it again.
You want to do it again?
I don't want to break it.
No, you won't. Yeah. at Nicole. She's shredded.
Not too bad, not too bad. I give it a 7.
That's pretty good. That's our lucky number. You were trying to wall tap it? Oh, Nicole, that was awesome.
You fired,
What hit? Just the wing?
what hit? Just the wing, the trash can.
Hey, if that wasn't such a big wing, nothing would have hit.
If she had, yo, hey, she tried to kill me too. Listen, man, I don't know what kind of wacky operation you run, Mr. LZ. I don't know what kind of scumbaggery you trying to force it. You got this, hey, get this man. You got this man pushing a trash can. You got this man doing physical labor. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to shut this down.
No, this is Nicole's now.
Look at me. I'm the captain.
So she was doing so good, and I kept on egging her on because she had a perfect slide and a perfect side, and we kept on getting closer, but I wasn't looking at the trash can, so that was my fault.
It's okay. As long as no one's mad. It made a good clip. You were shredding. That looked rad. That was pretty sweet. I'm happy, like, we both got to do donuts today. We both got some seat time. I'm stoked because my stuff can't be in the video, but yours can. So you just carried us. Look at that. Wife goals. What's next?
Wife goals. Did you say wife goals or life goals?
I think it said wife goals.
Oh, life goals.
I don't know, same thing.
All right, guys, don't be mad at me. First off, we found out that was open diff, but see, I was.
And we don't know that for sure. It could be an
Oh,
LSD.
okay, maybe
They just
not.
said it was one tire.
It doesn't
fire.
matter. Anyway, I was gonna be pulling it in after the second go around, and then Brad hopped in and he's like, I'll be your shifter, because it has like a weird shifting thing. And so I was like, okay, he put me in reverse, and then we were going to first, and I thought I was just gonna go up the ramp and like pull it in. He's like, oh no, go again. And we were going and going, and it was getting close to the dumpster. He's like, keep going, girl, you got this. And yeah, that's what happened. So, but it's okay. They're stoked. Okay. Tommy just pointed out that you can totally see the tire mark where I was drifting, and then it stops right when I hit the dumpster.
Tommy, I'm very happy that you've gotten accustomed to driving this truck, because I would be so anxious right now driving it in downtown LA, having to park it. This was an endeavor. Tommy took about 7 hours for this parking job right here.
7 hours?
More like 7 seconds.
Hey.
We made it to the hotel. We're super tired because of the time change. We had a lot of fun at Hoonigan. I'm excited to go test the track out and test the car out tomorrow, and hopefully figure out if it's gonna last this weekend or not. Anyway, thank you guys for watching.
Uncrustables are live.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye.
Nicole was starting to feel a little nauseous. Completely understandable on this course. I think that was the cleanest I've ever linked that part. That part could have been better, but... Always gotta be something to improve on.